I'm talking about textures today, specifically on my American Elm obelisks. You can see a few different textures going on my Element series, which I'm after a very rough, rustic surface as opposed to my highly polished vessels and triptychs. This 5 elements is just getting glued together. It will get a texture on it. There are quite a few different ways and tools to achieve texture. What I've been used on this particular piece, I'm using a couple of different cutters from Mampa Tools, both their 12 millimeter and 8 millimeter round cutters. And what I'll be demonstrating today is the triangular 4-inch cutter. I'm also using a rotary chisel cutter and a ball end mill to achieve different textures. You can get different textures even from the same cutter, depending on whether you're using it in a sweeping motion or in linear motion. I'm going to show you particularly, I've saved a little piece out for us, and what I'm going to be demonstrating is how to maintain randomness in carving a texture. When I'm carving textures on my Element series, I'm trying to maintain what I call randomosity, a random pattern. I don't want a grid to develop. I don't want to look like I'm carving a pattern. The same could go whether you're using a chisel, a knife, a power carver like I am, or even stippling with a pencil or crayon. To maintain a random look really takes some concentration. It's a little bit counterintuitive, but that's what I'm going to demonstrate real quickly, which is easy to do on a small piece, easier than a big one. When I work on my Element series, my 5 elements, bigger surface, all of a sudden you end up with patterns that you didn't even know were there unless you're consciously trying to maintain a random pattern. So what I'm going to do is use the triangular cutter, and I'm just going to be tapping in line with the cutter. Move it around in a random fashion to create some openings, then come back, hit the openings, and hit them in a random pattern. Don't concentrate on any one place for too long. Move it around, then at the end take a look, hit the high spots, and you're done.